Vorsteiner showed tuning for the new BMW M, and BMW M was partially able to solve the problem of giant nostrils of the radiator grille. Vorsteiner showed tuning for the new BMW M, and BMW M was partially able to solve the problem of giant nostrils of the radiator grille. The American tuning studio Vorsteiner, which is known not only for its wheels, but also for aerodynamic body kits, has taken up the refinement of the latest generation of charged Bs. For the M sedan of the G generation and the BMW M Coupe in the G body, tuners offered branded improvements, including wheels and body kit elements. Moreover, the main value of body parts is the adjustment of the radiator grille, which still causes fierce criticism. The main detail in the set was precisely the radiator grille, which Vorsteiner specialists turned from two huge vertical elements into four more compact ones, visually dividing the nostrils in half. The M and M models were given a more traditional look, albeit similar in some ways to the radiator grille of Dodge models. In addition, a splitter is offered for the sedan and coupe, which is installed on the front bumper door sills, a diffuser for the rear bumper, as well as a spoiler. All parts are made of carbon fiber. The radiator grille can also be ordered from plastic in the body collar, and later a carbon hood from Vorsteiner will appear. The company also offers a set of forged VPX discs, available in 20 and 21-inch versions with different widths. A set of body parts will cost buyers more than $8,000, and the wheels will cost at least $3,000. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.